And what about over here? 3 times 9 is 27, yes. What about this one? What would you say? You say 4 and 12? And 4. Yes. Any other ideas? 6 and 8. 6 and 8, what else? 16 and 3. Okay, now when we have addition, our strategy to deal with the surd is we have our eye on two things. We are looking for common multiples, not just here, but also we are trying to see if these folks here can share the multiples. Can they share their multiples? Why? Because we want to see if we can factor some things out. So here we have another layer of criteria. Not only do we want this to be rooted here, we want to make sure that these folks are going to share the multiples. And what will allow us to do that? Which pair will allow us to have shared multiples between these folks? Which pair will allow us to do that? Let's try them. When we root 4, here we'll get 2, right? When we root 4, we'll get 2. So this one is not going to help us. 3 and 16, yes. 3 and 16. 3 times 16 is a good pair. 3 and 16 is a good pair. Why? Because we have the square root of 3 on this side, and we have the square root of 3 on that side. When we have these two folks, the first thing that comes to our mind is we want something that can be rooted, but we also want it to be a shared multiple here by both of these guys. Okay, so this is root 3 and over there. Now, some of you have done factoring. Where would you go with this? What's the root of 9? What's the square root of 9? What's the square root of 9? Anybody? 3. Yes. We have root 3. This is 3. And that's root 3. And this is, the square root of 16 is 4. Hello. Yes. The square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Now, in algebra, what does this remind you of? Let me rewrite this in a way that's, let me just rewrite this like this. What does this remind you of in algebra? Yes, you're right, it's 4. Like terms. Very good. We have common terms. We combine the like terms. Over here, we have the same thing as 3a plus 4a. Yes, we have like terms. Great job, you folks. Oh, very good. And we end up with 3 plus 4. Sorry, I gotta fix my camera. find out, I'm sorry. I got a weird situation here. Sorry. That's all right. Hello. Is everybody okay with this? Because I have to go. But is everybody okay? Are we okay with this? This is what I had prepared for today. So this is what we covered. That's good. We figured out how to figure out the surds from the beginning for a strange number like 40, a strange number like 50. And what do we do when we add surds? And ultimately, hello. Oh, you thabetse lesson ena. A o hlenna ke mokgotsi ke thabetse ho bona. Ska ipata he. And I will look into the logs. Somebody said something about the logarithms. I made myself a mental note. And we'll see. I'll try to post this video on my wall, but sometimes TikTok blocks the videos, and I still don't have a swimsuit to teach in. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. I promise I'll post this video. If TikTok lets it stick, you will see it. Is this for GCSE maths? I'm not sure, probably so. You're so welcome. You are so welcome. Let me see what other questions are here. Combining like terms. Somebody said, last pair. Oh, yes. 4 and 12. Okay. Somebody wanted to do volume. I don't know. What do you mean by volume? Volume has so many meanings depending on what you're dealing with it. There's volume in calculus, in related rates. So I don't know what the question is looking for. You're so welcome, everyone. I hope you have... Oh, my day is going well. I struggle with the separation from my son, but I'm doing well. Oh, volume in shapes. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not clear what the question was, but I'll be back and we'll do... we'll finish off with the Surds simplification because there's more to work on. Oh. You think I'm pretty? Just remember, I didn't do anything. I was born this way. I didn't do anything. I was born pretty, but I'll take the compliment. Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, GCSE in the UK. That's how it was in my country because I took... Cambridge Overseas Certificate. That's what I did in high school. My high school mathematics, our exams were moderated in Cambridge, in the UK. All right, bye-bye. I'll see you later. I have to go read. I am a reader. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. I love you. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I love you.